just waking up from her nap. And unfortunately, everything's running on her time schedule now. You know, as much as I would love to jump back into trading and get full force back into it, I have to be realistic and know that at any moment she could wake up and dominate my time. So that's why this past week, again, I've just really been studying the market, studying price action, and watching a couple videos on options and just, you know, learning a little bit more. Always looking to expand my knowledge of the market. You know, I go back and I watch Timothy Sykes videos too, and I'm watching free videos online on YouTube. I've been watching Active Day Trader. He's an options guy who was an 18-year market maker in options and then went into trading them full-time for himself and his family. And also, I believe it's Tasty Trade. I've only watched one of their videos about earnings. But really just studying the market, studying the price action, studying the volatility. I didn't realize, you know, beta was a Greek that's used in options that really talks about volatility, and you can search on FinViz with that. I haven't delved into if you can use it on Trade Ideas yet. I imagine that you could, but I'm not sure about that. So I'm still, you know, just learning and expanding everything in this free time that I have where I'm not able to necessarily trade while my hands are occupied with the little one. I can still listen to a video. This week I was really watching ANET, as well as FSLR and NVIDIA. You saw, I'm sure if you followed my videos, that a lot of the stocks performed off my watch list last week. It was a pretty strong week in the market overall. And so, you know, I go ahead and I do my watch list, I see how it performs, and I go from there. So this week for my longs, I have CEMP above 475, AAOI above 49.35, BBW above 1020 for a gap fill there. We have OLED, which was breaking out with new highs with spectacular earnings. That was the long-term holding that I mentioned a while back, and actually got into it 59 when it was down there, and now it went to 82.5 on Friday. It would be a good one, I think, as well for options. And CLSD above 840. Now, as far as Friday's short volume activity, CEMP had 48% out of the 21 million. AAOI had 43% of the 6.5 million traded on Friday. BBW had 27% of the 1.8 million. And OLED had 31% of 4.7 million. And CLSD had 53% of 500,000 traded. As far as shorts, I have CTRP below 47.50 support level. PLSE, if it breaks down below 14. I did have that last week as well, and it continued up, but it looks like it might be slowing with that momentum. FRGI, if it breaks down below 26. CNX, if it breaks down below 1540. And MANT, if it breaks down below 36. As always, guys, you know, carpe profit, seize those profits one at a time. And as you can hear, my little one is waking up, so